Hi everyone, in this video we will be learning how to download LinkedIn profile as a PDF or resume. But before we get started, I would like to invite you to click the link in the description below to get your fully optimized and done for you resume that will help you to speed up your job search, upgrade your career, and climb the career ladder. Now coming back onto the video, to download a profile as a PDF, it is quite simple. First of all, let's say you want to download your own profile as a PDF. You are going to be simply heading over to your own profile. You can use it the top right side of your screen, the drop down option to view your profile. You will be headed over to the same exact section, click on more and save as PDF or save to PDF, and you will be able to see it is now downloaded as a PDF file. Now let's say you want to download someone else's profile as a PDF. So we have this person in here that we want to simply download their profile, and click on more again on their profile and save to PDF, and you will be able to see that the profile is easily saved as a PDF. So that is it for this video guys, and I hope you liked it. Before we get to the end, do not forget to click the link in the description below to get your fully optimized and done for you resume. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and until next time, take care and goodbye.